Congratulations, you have successfully set up an easy appointment system in WordPress. By following these steps, you can streamline your booking system like that. Welcome to our tutorial on creating easy appointment in WordPress. In this video, we will show you how to set up a simple and efficient appointment system for your website using WordPress by step for beginner also. Let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress and come on dashboard. Navigate to the plugin section and click on add new. Search for a booking plugin. Search easy appointment. Click on install now. Once you install and activate the easy appointment plugin, see the easy appointment section in the dashboard. Click on easy appointment. Set the location of Lahore. Service appointment रखनी है. Set the service as an appointment worker. Write that choice. And next you go service section. Click on service section. Here you can add the service as an easy appointment. I set the service appointment as a 30-minute duration. Slot step 30. Block before 5 minutes. Block after 5 minutes. Daily limit 0. I set the one appointment price is 1500 Rs. If your business has multiple staff members, you can assign them to specific service or availability slots. In this staff or team section, add staff member, provide their detail and assign them to event service. This step ensures the streamlined booking process for your customer. Next, you will go in employee section. You add also an employees. To click on add employees. Description consultants, you put their email like that. To click on add employee. Next you click on connections. Click on connections. Here you can see in the section of connections, you can set the day of weeks. You also set a working hours like that. Date range, expiry date, is working, yes, action. You can also edit. To click on edit section. Congratulations, you have successfully set up an easy appointment system in WordPress. By following these steps, you can streamline your booking system like that. Then thanks for watching and enjoy the benefit of well organizing appointment system on your WordPress system. Select on date.